morning. Good morning. Top of the morning to you, laddies and lasses.
Top of the morning to you, ladies.
Aku tuh deg-degan kalau Indiap di situ masih mencoba short strap. Oopsie daisies. Aku bingung. Where did the term oopsie daisies came from? Because of the puns? Did people already know about puns? Like over a century ago? Oopsies. Look at him! Look at him! Drops on the face! He is face palming. Oh no, I don't mean face palming, but I mean his face landing because he's tired of me. Origin of the puns, I guess, not origin of the oopsies. Oopsie daisy. Kalian ada yang tahu nggak sih kenapa namanya itu oopsie daisy? Apa karena ngepan gitu? Karena abis oopsie belakangnya sih sama kayak daisy. Oh no, I'm not suffering. I'm enjoying because I can say as much as I want without being judged. Okay. Oh no, that's not good. Nah. Oh yeah, sure. I am not. Do not call me a masochist. I am not. I am the opposite of the masochist. Well, just think it otherwise. What if I stream this to make you guys suffer while I'm enjoying every moment at saying while jumping? Oh, I failed there. Don't you ever think that you might be the one who's suffering watching me playing this and keep falling like that? Oh my god. Mama. Kan jatuh lagi. Pasti kalian yang malding. Pasti kalian yang malding, percaya deh. Tuh lihat. Ini stream apa sih? Stream ngeden. Oh, I see. Ya kurang banyak. Oh, that's a pro move there. Oh, I cannot repeat that. I cannot do that again. How to pro move? Oh, look at that. Very smooth jump. Aren't you proud of me? Aren't you proud? Mama. Apa sih? You realize that I'm getting better at me, right? I'm getting better. And like I learned from my mistake. What do you mean? I never tried again. What? Oh. Whew. What the chicken? You don't dare to try again? Meh. I will rate that meh out of 10. You meh, Grandpa. Challenge yourself like me. Sanity? Enggak, sanity aku masih tinggi. You can't make mistake if you don't try. But making mistake is the beauty of trying, you know. I did a lot of mistake. I still do mistakes on streaming. No worries, people make mistakes. Don't feel discouraged. I made a mistake too today in jumping like this. See? I failed the jump. Well, it's actually the king who failed the jump, not me. Tapi setiap dia mau lompat tuh bener kayak ngeden ya, lihat itu. Kan dia kayak jongkok dulu gitu. The game is all about feeling you'll get better. Thank you. Improvement doesn't always translate into immediate success. See? Oh wow. Oops a Daisy comes from Up a Daisy, which was first recorded in 1711. The daisy part might refer to the lifted child being on the ground amongst the daisy. Oh, thank you so much for sharing with us about the origin of Oopsie Daisy. I thought it was a pun from Oopsie and then Daisy. But so glad it's not. Thank you anyway. It's a Daisy? Oh, I thought it was Daisy too, but I think, yeah, it came from Daisy. I read the Daisy part may be a mispronunciation of the word day in either Shakespeare and English and another dialect. Oh my god, that is interesting. Welcome to Club Alstroemeria. You just made one of the best decisions that you ever made in your life. Thank you for joining